Welcome everybody to the crypto mining channel featuring your favorite crypto warrior all the way from Brussels, always bringing you my latest mining results. Today we're gonna talk about airdrops. Last time I made a video about airdrops with this website. I love this website. You always have to be careful because sometimes there are also fake airdrops, etc. So I spoke about this website last time. So now this is another website, a really cool website where you can see a lot of interesting airdrops, the latest airdrops, hot airdrops, exclusive airdrops, upcoming, etc. Really lovely website. What I also wanted to share with you guys is that the people who have EOS in an exchange or in a wallet, make sure to register your EOS coins. I didn't know, I just did it yesterday. I registered them because EOS will be doing a lot of airdrops this year, but you first have to register your EOS coins before you will get the airdrops. So if you have them on an exchange, it's better to have them in your Exodus wallet or in your Nano S Ledger wallet. But you have to register them or you won't get any airdrops. Maybe on Binance, but I don't think you will get the airdrops because you don't have the private keys of the wallet. So then it's the airdrop is for somebody else. So EOS, I think it's a very interesting coin. But many airdrops are coming this year, so you won't want to miss this. So how do you do it? On the support page of Exodus, you can see how you can register them. So I just did it yesterday, really easy. Make sure you do it or you won't get any airdrops. It has to be done before the 1st of June, so you still have some days left. You can do it in 10 minutes, so no problem at all. But make sure to do it because you will miss a lot of things. So let's go back to the crypto airdrops. I mean, normally you guys know how it works. Let's go to hot airdrops. Let's take a look here. Waves. Okay, so this is the guide. You have to have at least 10 waves. You have to join the waves on Telegram, subscribe to the Telegram channel, to the Steemit, Reddit or YouTube. Wow. So tokens worth $5,000 will be distributed once per day during the airdrop campaign. Wow, $5,000 a day, guys. So I mean, you can make so much money with airdrops. Sometimes I'm getting airdrops and I don't know where they come from, but that's why it's important to have them on your own wallet, in your own Exodus wallet or another wallet. But I prefer my Ledger wallet. Very easy. I mean, this machine cost me a lot of money because I bought it in bitcoins 1 year ago. So it cost me about $500, but it's okay. It has brought me a lot of ease. It's very easy. All ERC20 tokens, you can just send it to your Ledger wallet with the Ethereum app, etc. Very easy. So I mean, a lot of hot airdrops. And what do we see here? The Divi project. Let's go take a look. You have to have at least 1,000 tokens. So currently it's about $2.40, almost $3, I think. So that's $3,000 in your personal ERC20 wallet. So as I said, your Ledger wallet, very easy. Weekly airdrops are sent out for at least 27 weeks. For 27 weeks they will do airdrops. I saw this and I think this is one of the most interesting coins to have to receive airdrops. So I love Divi. I love what they are doing, what they are trying to do. They're doing weekly airdrops, 3,000 Divi every week, 3,000. So airdrop. This is on the Divi project. A little bit of more information. 3,000 Divi every week. The entire project, airdrop project, at today's rate of approximately $3 per Divi, will be over $250,000 that they will hand out in airdrops. How huge is this? But the only thing is, you need to have a thousand Divi tokens. I have about 200 tokens right at this moment. I still have some time to buy the 1,000 tokens, because it will start. The airdrops will start in a few weeks. So 1,000. You don't need to do anything else. You just have them in an Ethereum-based wallet, such as my Ether wallet, for example. That's not on an exchange. So never on an exchange, guys. Always in your own personal wallet. How much do you get? Okay. People can make a lot of money from this. Started after the token sale finished, and will continue Q2. They will be weekly on random days. I mean, I think EOS at this moment this year they will do a lot of airdrops, and looks like the Divi project 27 weeks, and they will do it every week, 3,000 Divi. I mean, this is insane. This is insane. I urgently need some more Divi coins. So exclusive airdrops. Let's go exclusive. Let's go take a look here. Join the Telegram group. Okay, you have to retweet the tweets, fill out the form below. You will receive 300 of these coins, which are currently worth only $3, but possibly more in the future. Depends if it's a great coin. I don't know this airdrop, but if they have great team, etc., if it becomes a big coin and worth a lot, when you have 300 coins for free, when they are at $10 or $1, for example, you made some money with only a few clicks. Join the Telegram group, subscribe, retweet the tweet, fill out the form below, boom, and you got them. So let's go take a look at upcoming for Zoin holders. I mean, guys, this is a way of making free money, because the only thing, most of the time, the only thing you need to do is just hold the coin. Have a specific coin like EOS, Divi, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and you just need to have it on your own wallet, and then you receive airdrops, free coins, which you can sell or which you can hold and sell later. It's free money. Free money. Who doesn't want any free money? Drop me a like if you want some free money. If you enjoyed this video, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn how to build a passive income a passive income with cryptocurrencies, make sure to subscribe to the crypto mining channel. I hope to welcome you all there soon. I wish you all happy mining and a lot of luck with the upcoming airdrops. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.